Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Python latest version, that is 3.14.7 on Windows operating system. Okay, first go to Python official website and download. It is python.was. Hover mouse on this downloads. See here we have the latest version 3.14.7. Just click on downloads. See here we have the two types of downloads. Download Python installer manager or get standalone installer. Click on this Python 3.14.7. Then select the location to download. Then click on save. See, download started and its size is only 31.7 megabytes. Download completed. Now click on the exe file. See here we have the two types of installations. Install now or customize installation. If you select customize installation, optionally we can select these locations and select these checkboxes. Then select the custom installation. See, optionally you can select or unselect these features. Then click on next. Here also in advanced options you can select whatever you want. We can, okay. And this is the installation location. If you want some other, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Review the options one more time. If you are okay with all these options, then click on next and click on install. Setup was successful. Click on close. Now open Python shell or Python idle, or you can run the Python from the command prompt. We will see all three options. All applications, then go to Python folder. See here we have the Python 3.14. See here we have these two tools. Python, this is a Python shell and this is a idle. And remaining two are the documentation. Okay, first open idle. See, install version of Python is 3.14.7. Now print hello world. And also define variables and assign values. And the tool is Python shell. See, it is also same. You can perform the same examples here also. Now open CMD, that is command prompt. Just type Python. See, you have connected to Python version number 3.14.7. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Python latest version 3.14.7 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.